Put more.
We are spraying outside drainage, na?
No, the whole. Put more, please. Because sometimes here, you know, you have the bugs here, black. You see? You go out there. Oh, we have a whole small.
From this, no insects only come in American cockroach.
American cockroach? This one, the small bugs.
Bugs?
Black. Too much here at the back.
Coming some from the pigeon or from sea. No.
Why?
The drainage system not coming. Drainage system coming only flies and.
Too much. Sometimes here black. Too much go outside here. Then small bugs, small ants.
See, coming there is small gap now.
Yeah, I think here, no, down here, down in there and under this one here, you see, under the zinc, a lot. Yeah, and then I put Clorox.